Folks, we're in Grand Junction. We got this 2013 Peterbilt 388. It's got a lift axle, so it makes it a 3-axle truck on the back. And just wanted to kind of walk around the truck and show you guys what it looks like. Cosmetically, this truck's pretty good. I'm leaving it idle, guys. The battery was dead this morning. Whenever I'm done, I'm going to go back and park it, and then we're going to see if after running it for about 30 minutes if those batteries held the charge. As you can see, you got dual chrome stacks, one on each side, guys. The paint on this truck is nice all the way around. This is just a good straight little truck, guys. I've been around this truck a couple times already. I have not seen anything that I would say is material cosmetic damage at all. In fact, I think this is a pretty clean little truck, guys. Now I will show you right here, and I've shown this in another video, there's a little oil leaking down right here. So I'm going to look into that a little bit more and let you guys know what I find out. But again, when you look at the body on this truck, it's pretty good. 120-gallon fuel tank on each side. You've got your hydraulic reservoir for your PTO right here. And you can see you've got a 2-line wet kit hooked up to this truck. Again, you got your front axle, a lift axle, then your tandems here on the back. Sliding 5th wheel plate. That thing slides way up to the front too, guys. And guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not the smartest guy in the world when it comes to these trucks, but it does have this air track suspension here on the back end. I think a lot of you guys that are Peterbilt guys like to have that on there. It's got a nice aluminum headache rack back here behind the cab, behind the sleeper. You can see you got your airbags underneath your sleeper right there. And again, a 120-gallon fuel tank over here with your depth tank right here behind the step. So again, it's pretty straight and clean on the body of the truck, guys. So I got a little bit of looking to do on what's causing that oil leak over there. And once I figure that out, I'll update the listing accordingly. Let me know if you have any questions, guys.